So you are done with the basics of JavaScript and now you want to practice your knowledge, like you want to get started with the practical JS. So the best way of doing that is by building mini projects. So today I'll be sharing with you the top 5 beginners friendly JavaScript project ideas and I hope you find this video helpful. So let's get started. So the first one is login and registration page. So if you could remember like how many forms or login registration process you have done while you were applying to a college, or if you are creating an account for an online ID. So take any of the login and registration page and just try to build it on your own. And the few things that you should keep in mind or you should try to implement in that form is, first thing is validation, like the input box should have this much of length, like the length of characters, and if it is a phone number field then it should not take any alphabets into account, and the password, email validation, those kind of things you can try to implement. It is really worth building the registration form kind of thing as a front end developer because front end is dealing with forms all the time. Second is building a simple calculator. Just starting to get to know JavaScript and you're starting to build some projects. So just don't overload yourself in your initial days. Start slow and gradually you can take up a more challenging task. So the second, that is the calculator. In this, we don't want to make any designer interface. I just want you to build a basic calculator where you will have a basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Third is building some games. Now it can be any game, it can be a tic-tac-toe game or a snake game or whatever you like. Building games are a fun way of learning something. You won't feel bored as it's something new and different from the traditional project ideas. Coming to our fourth project is a simple to-do list. Now, why I have included the good old to-do list here in my list of projects, because the good old to-do list, it gives you an idea of the basic CRUD operations, which is very important. CRUD here stands for create, read, update and delete. It contains all the different kind of manipulations that you can do with the DOM and gives you an idea of how JS can be used for coding dynamic interactive list, like you can add, edit, delete and move items from that list. And after building a to-do list you will feel great, like you have accomplished one thing. It's like a first step to achieving something bigger. So the fifth one is fetching data from an fake API. So you are done with all the four projects that I have mentioned earlier and you want to move to a industry level of project, or you want to gain that next level of confidence, then you can try to build a application which fetches data from an API and it displays it to the user. So for this case, you can make use of a fake API like JSON placeholder or GitHub API and display it in a formatted form in your application. Last thing that I would like to mention before leaving is, if you are building these applications and website, don't try to be too fancy with the styling, because it's okay if you want to make your application presentable, but it's not worth to waste your time on making those CSS transition animations and effects, because the main idea behind building these projects is practicing JS. And even though if you want to make your application presentable, then you can use Bootstrap or SCSS that will help you make the application presentable, as well as it will save you some time. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If you did, then do give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comment section which project ideas did you like or which you are going to build. And see you next time. Bye bye.